Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on KwaBaba from the 17th to the 21st of August 2026 on Monday. Bahumi's love pulls Zulake back from the edge, and his closest allies really begins behind him. A beautiful dinner had them Daunge turn into a harrowing nightmare as Mambogazi tried to cover a truth that has already been exposed. Zandile set the cat among the pigeon, feeding Makhumalo's guilty while destroying TLB on Tuesday. Makhumalo finds herself in hot water over her gossip mongering. Solomon stepped up as a father figure when it matters most, and Musa rises to claim his place as Inkosana in the Mkhize home on Wednesday. Will Dumsane succeed in cutting Zulake off from the Mkhize ancestors? As the Mtaunge choose to stand by Zulake, Makhumalo's betrayal threatened to cost her a home, and Musa returns to Kwamavovo, ready to claim what is his on Thursday. The Mkhizes experience the wrath of Nkosana. Makhumalo tried to repair the damage caused to her relationship with Mxolisi and Ketiwe. Zandile exposes the sins of a prayer woman to the reverend on Friday. Zolake's place in the Mkhize legacy comes under direct attack. A guilty-ridden Mambogazi finally confronts the burden of her past, and Makhumalo takes a big step toward rebuilding the relationship she fractured. Well guys, that's all I have for today. Can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.